Alright, guys, I got an exciting company I want to talk about. The company is DKNG DraftKings. Is this company oversold? Is this an overreaction? Should this come back up? And when I'm looking at this chart, this is actually the first time we've hit this lower band in years. I mean, look at this chart, guys, on the daily chart. We've hit the upper band and we went down. But I'm looking at this. I mean, we got very close here on earnings. It went down, hit this. But it doesn't do it often. I don't really see it like really hovering over it. You can see right here, way back in 2021, we hit this, we came back up. But this looks really good. I mean, we could easily see a V shape like this where it just shoots right up. It's really going to depend on the next earnings. We've had earnings 807, so we can expect to have earnings. I believe it's in October or November. They'll announce it. I want to say November, usually, every quarter here. But I really think this should start moving up into that earnings too. I mean, this is an extreme oversold pattern. I mean, a high quality stock, DraftKings, they are the first in this business. I mean, they do sport betting. You can see right here, hotels and entertainment services, a digital sports entertainment and gaming company. All right, it provides users with online and retail sports betting together, sports bet online casino. So but I do think, we saw that Kathy Wood spot a ton of shares, I think it was like 17 million worth of shares. They bought them up in here. But if you look at the longer term picture, look at the monthly chart. This will definitely block out a lot of the noise. What are you seeing on the monthly chart? Every dip is getting bought on this EMA 50. All right, you see the EMA 50 up, EMA 50 up. We have a little more room down. It could easily go down to 34 bucks. It's at 34.89. We can drop down to 34, 33.60s, 33.80s. Drop a little bit more below it like this and then come up. That's very possible. But you could see, the chart has made a beautiful, look at it. It went up, making your cup and handle, making a cup almost looking pattern and just kind of consolidating here for quite some time. Look at this, 2023, 2024, 2025, just been consolidating in a range. You can clearly see we are consolidating all through here. And I really think we are going to break out of this. I think it's going to be favorable. I think with this earnings coming up, we can head back up here and maybe break out of this consolidation pattern that's been going on for a very long time. Remember, we've seen this with GoDaddy before, when they start consolidating for a very long time, right? I mean, as you can see, accumulation has just been going on from 2019. This is a little longer, but you can see when these stocks break out of their consolidation phase, you can see it's a big momentum up. All right, that's what I think DraftKings can do. I think DraftKings can hit an all-time high. I think we can get above $75 within a year. I definitely see that. I think this could be a great long-term opportunity play coming down into this monthly EMA 50. I don't see anything wrong with this. Obviously, it's had one of its biggest months down. I mean, look at this. This one had 24% month down, started recovering it. We're down 26% in these 2 months here. Let's see if we can cover. I mean, we were just at $48 in August, and we're back down to 35. So block the noise. I think this is a great company. You can read a lot of the news. You can look at a lot of the analysts. We have a lot of strong buys. We have a lot of price targets higher than where we're currently at. So it's got a lot of big money into it. Got a lot of volume. I think to me, it's just going to be a waiting game. I'm probably looking to get into this. I think this is not a bad opportunity. It's got lots of good stuff happening. You can also see too, right in here, we have a little bit of decline in sell volume. You can see right here, we have this monster volume, red volume, it's declining, declining, and declining. It could be that the sellers are kind of dying out. And then we can pick up into some buyers. We have a KDJ sitting at 9.27. So that's interesting to see. All right. So everything about this, in my opinion, based on an uptrend type of style, I like it because this is following the trend type of idea. It's just a pullback opportunity. We went up, goes down, and then we're just slowly grinding up, and it's a painful one because it's very slow. But yeah, that's what I think about DraftKings. I think this is probably one of my number one plays coming into football season. We have October, November. We're going to have lots of excitement. If I'm looking to get into play, it's probably going to be this one. Okay. So I like to talk about some big cap stocks and show you guys. Let me know what you guys think about DraftKings. Let me know what you guys think about it. As always, join in the Discord. You can have my band strategy. You can trade the strategy in many ways. You can trade strategy when price hits this lower band. This gives you the most oversold opportunities. Stay tuned for another video in the Discord. I'm going to show you guys. There's going to be a software on TOS that will alert these when these get into these areas. But you can see how accurate these are. You know, you get up into this band, you see what a sell-off happening. There's a good chance. It doesn't mean it has to. It can hug the band like this. It doesn't mean it has to just jump right away. That's why we want to use basic analysis of support resistance. Where do we have strong support levels? You can see all in here. There is a monster support right up in here with the daily EMA 50, and we're hanging out right on all these support candles too. So I think there's a lot of good hope in this. I think this is one of my most favorite bigger cap stocks that has been on a dip. Of course, you're going to have negative news to get into those dipping opportunities. That's always something that you need to have to touch these lower bands. It won't touch these bands without some sort of negative news. You got to block the news, look at the chart patterns, and go from there. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you want to join the Discord, as always, click the link down below in the YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll take you to this free chat landing page if you want to become a member of the Discord and learn how I day trade, learn how I swing trade, see my exact plays, and as always, watch the day trade live streams. That's going to give you the most knowledge and kind of help you out the most. Hit this how to subscribe button in it and hit day trade alerts. Cheapest Discord out there for only $12 a month. You won't see anything cheaper than that. $12 a month, you can get access to all of this, and very, very affordable. Okay. But yeah, use your computer to subscribe to avoid the iOS fee. I think you guys are gonna love it, and it's just an awesome system we use. And that's about it. Let me guys know what you think about it. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.